Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Srikanth. Today's date is 24 November 2022. Today's video topic is string constant pool in Java. A string pool is Java is a special storage space in Java heap memory where the string literals are stored. It is also known as a string constant pool and string intent pool. Whenever string literals are created, the JVM first checks the string constant pool before creating a string object. Now see needs of string constant pool. When we create a string object in it uses some amount of space in heap memory. We are creating n numbers of string objects with the same value and memory is allocated of each string object. This is an inefficient ways of heap memory. In order to increase the performance of the code and reduces the memory spaces, the Java stores the string with the help of the string constant tool. There are two ways of creating a string. First is by string literal and second one is by using new keyword. In a string literal, the strings is created using double quotes. For example, string keyword string name is equal to in the double quotes characters. And second way is using string by using new keyword. In that, JVM will first create storage in the heap memory, and the string is placed in the double quotes and in the SCP. We can stop these kinds of memory allocation in the string objects using the string intent method. Now we see the string intent method. Creating a string using a new keyword allocates the memory in the string object in the heap, but not stores but outside the SCP. When we use a string intent method, JVM will check the literal in the string pool and reference is stored in the variable. For syntax of this method is string variable name is equal to new keyword string value and intent keyword. Now we see the advantages of string pool in Java. First is Java string pool. Java string pool allows catching of string. Catching means catching is the process of storing data in the cache. Means cache improves the performance and reduces memory use. Second advantage is provides reusability. Means it saves the time and create a new string. If there is already a string with the same name present, it stores only reference and returns only reference. Now third advantage is string pool makes Java more efficient, and fourth advantage is we can achieve string interning using concept of string constant pool. That's all about string constant pool. Thank you.